Because when you snooze, you lose. Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about what age we should start using anti-aging products and what exactly should you use. I've been searching on so many websites, so many dermatologist websites and articles, and they all say that we should start our anti-aging in our 20s. An average age of 20, that's when your collagen starts deteriorating. Your body can't produce as much collagen as you would like it to. Our smooth and supple baby skin, and say goodbye to that, sadly, but yeah. At the age of 20, when your skin starts deteriorating, that's when you need to start helping your skin to repair your skin. I read so many articles and today I'm gonna summarize it all for you. So I'm in my 20s, and therefore today I'm gonna share with you what you should be using at your 20s. So all the dermatologists and all the experts say that at different age ranges, you should be using different kind of products. So you should go stronger and stronger as you go. But when you're in your 20s, you should focus on preventative and defensive anti-aging products. Another common thing that all of them say is you should start early, because when you snooze, you lose. Okay, when you start late, that's when all your wrinkles start growing already, and by then, if you want to help it and you want to remove it, too late, my friend. Okay, so start early, start right now when you are in your 20s. So in your 20s, your skin is not as bad as you think it is. Okay, it's still okay, but help it, help it a little more so that your skin can be beautiful for the longest time. So let's cover what is preventative anti-aging first. It literally just means sunscreen. Literally. If you haven't heard me talk enough about it, go and watch this video, because I tell you exactly why you need sunscreen and why that affects your skin and why you get older because you don't put sunscreen. Okay, put it every day. Reapply in the afternoon. Make sure that you are protected from the sun. Okay, the sun is not a good friend. Okay, it's like a flaky friend. Sometimes you're good, sometimes you're bad. So now we move on to defensive anti-aging. So what defensive products do is to provide your skin with the right nutrients and the right ingredients to help it to repair the signs of aging that you already existingly have. In defensive anti-aging products, what you need are antioxidants and collagen. These two things. So antioxidants, there are so many antioxidants out there. You get it from fruits, you can get it from your serums, you can get it from a lot of places. But what you need exactly is vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Vitamin A is what people normally use called retinol. So retinol gives you vitamin A. Vitamin C, I'm sure everybody knows, we can get it from like those redoxon capsules. You can get it from oranges, lemons, whatever. Vitamin E normally comes from oils. So your beauty oils, your serums, your whatever, they will put vitamin E in there. So let me share some products that I use to give me antioxidants. So at times in my skincare routine, I will use rose hip oil. So in here there is vitamin E, which helps your skin to heal, and at the same time it also has antioxidants that helps with anti-aging, which is called lycopene. At the same time, this includes lycopene, which is an antioxidant that helps with anti-aging. That's how you defend yourself from anti-aging, wrinkles and all that. Okay, so this is just one example. Let me share one more example with you. So this has been featured in my videos a few times. This is an eye cream that I use every night. This is called the Retinol Fusion PM by Peter Thomas Roth. I feel like the eyes gives the most obvious signs of aging, especially your crow's feet and all that, and therefore I use a stronger one for my eyes. This has retinol, which means vitamin A, and this helps to smoothen the look of wrinkles and all that. For this one, I use every single night. I'm very particular about my eyes and my crow's feet. I can't have any, okay? And this one is the one that I use. So some of you guys which have never touched retinol before or have never used anti-aging products or have sensitive skin, you might want to be more careful when you are using such strong products. Your skin needs to get used to such strong products, so please make sure that you use it maybe once every 2 days, once every 3 days, and slowly adapt your skin to the product. Yeah, the supplements and the vitamins that you take also help with your skin. So these are the Green Life Alive Woman's Energy. So I normally take capsules that has multivitamins because I normally feel like there's no reason why I should take so many pills at one go when I have one pill that has everything. I'm a lazy bitch, remember? So this helps a lot. The multivitamins normally have everything that you need. It has vitamin A, it has vitamin C. Does it have vitamin E? Oh, it has vitamin E too, and it's all your daily needs. Moving on to collagen. I get my collagen from eating pills again. So I have this, which is my collagen supplement, which I take every night. They normally ask you to take 6 pills a day. 6 pills in one day, but it's small pills. I don't understand why they cannot just do like 1 pill a day. Like, wouldn't that be easier? This is the one from DHC. There are so many collagen supplements out there, but I trust the Japanese ones a little bit more, so I got the DHC one. So I take this at night before I sleep, and in the morning, most of the time when I'm hydrated enough, I would see my skin looking really nice and really smooth and really bright, and that's great. However, if you want to see a full effect of how collagen works for your skin, you can take those collagen drinks. So those collagen drinks are super effective. I tried one from Fancl. That one is like super good. I would take a bottle of that right before I sleep. In the morning, I tell you, it's so beautiful. My skin is so great. Basically, those are the defensive things that you need. Antioxidants and collagen. You can find those in a lot of things. If you don't want to take supplements, feel free to have more fruits. Feel free to have more things that have these ingredients in there to help with your skin. So those are the things that you need to use when you're in your 20s. When you go into your 30s and 40s, which I have not been, and that's why I don't really want to share, that's when you start using really strong products to really help your skin, because your skin is going to only deteriorate further from here, sadly. If you have any other anti-aging tips, please share them below because I need them. And if you are new to this channel and you like this video, please subscribe as well. I would appreciate it so much. If you guys are looking for more Asian beauty tips, you can find them right here in the playlist and explore more in my channel. So I hope that you guys have learned something new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!